Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Minecraft's Wet Hands on the piano. Begin by finding accurate sheet music or a trusted online tutorial. This beautiful, simple piece is perfect for beginners. The melody is primarily played with your right hand, often starting around middle C. Focus on the serene, flowing rhythm that defines this iconic tune. Practice each hand separately before attempting to combine them for best results. Now let's focus on your right hand. The main melody of Wet Hands often begins on the note B, located just below middle C. Use a comfortable finger placement, perhaps starting with your second finger on B. Practice the melody slowly, ensuring each note sounds clear and sustained. Pay close attention to the gentle, flowing rhythm. Repeat sections until they feel natural and smooth, building muscle memory for accuracy. Next, we will add the left hand accompaniment. Wet Hands uses simple, beautiful chords like G major and D major. These chords provide a gentle harmonic foundation for your right hand melody. Play the left hand softly, ensuring it supports rather than overwhelms the tune. Practice combining both hands at a very slow tempo, focusing on precise synchronization. Gradually increase your speed as coordination improves, maintaining a relaxed posture. Consistent practice is key to mastering Wet Hands. Aim for regular, short sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes each day. Listen to the original track to internalize its serene mood and subtle nuances. Experiment with dynamics, playing some phrases a little softer and others slightly louder to add expression. Most importantly, enjoy the process of bringing this beautiful Minecraft melody to life on your piano.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.